Hello viewers, I am Rash Ravishankar introducing yet another episode of Friday Poems by Viewmaster. So far we have introduced three poets, Rash, Navina Das and Malika Bhaumik. Uh, we have been receiving video clips from many poets for inclusion in this project. So today we are introducing two poets. The first poet is Linda Ashok, and the second one is Indah Widiastuti. Linda Ashok is a very well-known poet in India who has two collections of poetry to her credit, Whore Light and Waiting for the Helicopter, both of them published by Hawakal Publications. She is also a web journalist and a digital marketeer. Uh, Today she is reading her poem Looking for Love. So on to Linda Ashok for reciting her poem.
Hey guys, this is Linda Ashok, and today, at the request of my poet friend Rash or Ravi Shankar from Palakkad, Kerala, I'm going to read out to you a poem from my latest collection called Waiting for the Helicopter. This poem that I have selected for you is called Looking for Love. I hope you will enjoy it. So the poem is Looking for love in the stamens of moments, the train of respite, the ugly whirl of time, berries ready to rot, in the blue tearhole of ambiguity, the marsh of forgetting, in the acuity of debris, the halogen of ellipsis, in the marvelous gaze of the antecedents inside the suicide cry of a gull, inside the playbook of dimming emotions, inside the particles of an unknown treatise, inside the closed chapters of a failing organ, looking for love in places where it can never reach. Thank you so much.
So that was Linda Ashok with her poem Looking for Love. And the second poet we are introducing is Indah Widiastuti, who is from Indonesia. Her connection with India is because her research work on architecture she had done in Chennai. She got a PhD from Anna University, Chennai, and she has had a long association with India, almost for 4 years during the period 2004 to 2010. That makes it 6 years. Uh, she has been writing poems from early ages, but she came to recognize her poems as such only from 2010 when she started publishing poems on Facebook. She has had her poetry published in magazines like Stage Buzz, Indian Rumination, Brown Critic, and has contributed to anthologies like Abhay Kumar's anthology, Bloomsbury India's anthology, Brian Rickson, and one on anthology in Indonesia. At present, he is working in the architecture department of Institute of Technology, Bandung, Indonesia. She is reading her poem My Potruga today for us. Potruga means girlfriend. It's a Russian term for girlfriend. So on to Indah Widiastuti for reading her poem My Potruga.
Hi, my Indian viewers. I'm Indah Widiastuti, a poet from Indonesia, reading my poem My Podruga. Outside, is an external vision, a dream in a quietude, fragile amidst the diminishing cloud. He sleeps beside me, in my arms, whispering by the edge of blips inside my eyelids. An anomaly slipped through myths and history of the abandoned, the nocturnal bliss hidden under the skin, fading in a distant space, but surviving with sunrise somewhere in a distant time. A private speech in a warm look. It sets free the man inside me, who wakes up blues and jazz in my blood to find soon shoulder lines so pretty, and thence I soon drown in the air of moon surrounding me. I disbelieve the sun inside him. The crumbling sky has put another dawn for the watchful silence inside me, standing afar and discreetly, following his graceful wriggles. A life is dormant in a maternal secret in his womb, a girlfriend inside him, my podruga. 12 July 2012. Podruga is the Russian word for girlfriend, borrowed from a poem titled Podruga by Marina Tsvetaeva, written in 1914, addressed to her girlfriend.